I have the perfect dessert recipe for you for this Christmas. A quick and easy chocolate tiramisu. The first thing you want to do is to make your fresh coffee. Then while still warm, add some marsala and some sugar. Give it a good mix and let it cool down. In a bowl, I'm gonna add the fresh cream and the sugar. And then I'm gonna whisk it together. After 3 minutes, you start seeing the cream is gonna start getting thicker. Only at that point, add the mascarpone and the vanilla. Now go in with a spoon and mix it all together. So that's what you're looking for a nice, creamy, spreadable texture. Here I have some beautiful Savoyardi, also called ladyfingers, sponge fingers. I'm gonna put them on a tray, like this, and then I'm gonna cover them with a coffee solution. Here is where things get serious. I melted some dark chocolate and we're gonna put it in between the layers. I kept some of the dark chocolate. I'm gonna cut it with a knife, create some beautiful shard to put on the top. To make serving easier, I'm gonna serve mine in individual glasses. Start with a dollop of mascarpone at the base, then go in with a coffee Savoyardi and a tablespoon of the melted chocolate. Then do it all over again with the mascarpone, the Savoyardi, the melted chocolate, and finish with a layer of mascarpone and shredded chocolate. It's perfect, serve right away, or you can keep it in the fridge for up to 2 days. However, I'm not sure if it's gonna last that long.